coming down really hard now. Ah! Alright, flipping snow day. I'm vlogging. Hey, Joseph Musakani.
Hey, Liv.
Hey, I'm vlogging. There's snow in Georgia. What will we do? We're all gonna die.
Is this going on YouTube?
Yeah.
Oh, hi. That's fun.
Everybody's very distressed. What will we do? We're about to walk out into the snow. You're scared to drive?
Yes.
I've never driven in the snow
before.
Oh boy, here we go. First jump into the snow. 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's snowing! This is my math teacher. I'm a vlogger, Miss Foster. This is
Me
my
too.
Wait, really?
Yes. Yes. Matthew Mom
vlogger.
Music.
Wow. Bye, Miss Foster.
Look how white it is. Look at the sky, Claire. Look at it.
It's
so
gray.
white.
It's gray.
Oh my god. I'm gonna go turn in my hours so I can exam.
Say hi.
This is the best.
Snow in Georgia. All right, what is up, guys? It is snowing out here today in Atlanta, Georgia. Look at that. How nice. Look at the trees covered. We don't get snow much down here. We really don't. But check out how much this is. I mean, Northerners, if you guys watch this, you're going to laugh. But wow. Whole fingertips in. All right. But, like, it's good snowing. It's getting kind of sloshy, which is concerning with the roads and stuff, you know. You know, the good thing, though, is my whole family's from the north, so we got the full gear and stuff, all that stuff on. But, I mean, we got a good bit of snow, good bit today. So we're going to go look in the snow and, I don't know, find some trouble. Let's go. All right, guys, so we are at our favorite sledding spot since, like, early years of my life. So it's this middle school. And see that giant hill right there? It doesn't look that big right here, but it is steep as heck. So I'm out going. Look at that. English? That is so steep. So let's go down it. What I did was I took a wakeboard and kind of took the bindings off, and I kind of modified it into a snowboard. So let's see how this goes. There she is. There's the monster. I'm so out of breath. I just went all the way up that. It's so steep. So here's my wakeboard. I might just sit on it the first round because this is steep. I'm so out of breath. But, hey, let's just go for it. Let's send it. No broken heads. Here we go. Ah! Whoa! The ACT tomorrow morning, so it's like my last shot before college, so I hope it doesn't get canceled, which is really bad to say, but I'm just such a good student. But yeah, we are out on another journey right now. We are headed to the mall. Who goes to the mall in a snowstorm? But we're going out to the mall. Let's go. We're at the mall. It's closed though, right, Dad?
It's closed.
So what are we gonna do? Donuts! Ah! That was pretty good. That was a good one. Alright, so what do you do during a snowstorm? You go to Target, right? Let's go. Oh gosh. It's slippery out here. Snow and Target. Alright guys, this is what we're getting. Cookie dough, lemonade, donuts, and t-shirts. How nice, right? Alright guys, check out this snow. Holy crap. It's coming down really hard now. Oh, dang. Alrighty. Oh. Alright. Alright guys, we're just headed home from Target. See you guys on the flip side. A little update on the snow. So the ACT is canceled tomorrow, which is a bummer. I was trying to get that in before I had to apply to college and stuff, but you know, it'll probably get rescheduled for soon. I want to show you guys this though. Look at this lighting though. This is pretty good for what I'm doing. Look at what I'm doing. I have the TV and lighting, yeah. I want to show you guys what the snow looks like though. It is still snowing and it's supposed to snow the whole night. Look outside. I can unlock this. Look outside. These are some big snowflakes. I mean, this is crazy for Atlanta. This doesn't happen much before Christmas in December. It's like the first week of December. You know, Northerners will think this is funny, but I mean, a whole like 3 inches for us is a big deal. And the roads are gonna ice over. I don't know, guys. It might be Snowmageddon because I called this. I was at school and I was like, guys, it's gonna snow. I believe it. It's gonna happen. We're gonna get inches. Hey, I'm telling you, it snowed, and I was flipping right. So heck yeah. Anyway, I'm just gonna sit inside, drink some hot chocolate. All right, guys, what is up? I just got dressed for the morning. It is Saturday morning, and we have so much more snow. So in Atlanta, it does not snow a lot. And guess how much snow we got last night? We got like an inch yesterday, but we got 4.5 flipping inches. That's crazy for down here. But it's like perfect snow, Look, I mean, it's just, it's like perfect snowman building snow, snowball fight, all that. It's like powdery too. It's just great. So I think we're gonna build a snowman right now. Let's go. There you are. Hi! Hi, you having fun in the snow? You having fun in the snow? Come on. Hey. Hi. Say hi. Okay. Aw, good dog. All right, so let's build a snowman. All right, high five, Bernardo. Why I act like a 12-year-old boy. There's no one else that would think that this is a good idea with a wakeboard, taking them off and going down a hill. I swear, I sometimes have the brain of a 12-year-old boy. It doesn't make any sense. Anyway, let's try this. What are you doing? You're eating the snow off the things, huh? Is it any good? Alright guys, so we just got done building our snowman and stuff, and then the neighborhood little girls came over and we had a snowball fight. So that was fun. Dad, you are really cool, aren't you? Oh boy.
Ho, ho, ho.
Oh, I thought you were going to throw it at me.
I wouldn't do that.
Never, right? Ah! What is up, you guys? It's the last day of pretty much the snow day because we got to go back to school tomorrow. So I'm going to try to get the most out of it. Right now I'm going to get dressed and then head back outside. Let's go. So right now I'm going to try to give that wakeboard another shot. I want to get down that hill without falling. It's a really tiny hill, but wakeboard's not great for balancing on. So I'm gonna give it another shot right now. Well, that's pretty much it. I made it down the first try, so we're good now. Guys, so the snow is pretty much melting. It's pretty crunchy. So that's it for the snow day vlog. We gotta go back to school tomorrow. So that's pretty much it for the snow. We'll see you guys next time. Make sure that you guys like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys for the next vlog.